Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple registration form with text box validation using Eclipse. There are many students who request me to do the simple registration form using Eclipse, so that I have started. Go to the file, new. Here you have to select Java project. Here I am going to give the name of the project, right? So I am going to give the name here. Staff, right? The staff registration form I am going to create. Right. Now your project has been created here. Now select here, select the folder, right click, new, go to the others, Windows Builder, select the application window. If you don't know how to install the Windows Builder and everything, I give the video description below. You just go to that video and study this all the stuff, right? So click next. Here I am going to click the name of the project. So I am going to give here a staff registration, register, right? Click finish. Now your form has been created successfully. This is a simple form. Go to the design tab. Now your design is working, right? This is a Windows Builder. First, what I am going to do is select this frame, right click, layout. You have to select the absolute layout. Then only you can easily drag and drop the controls, right? After that, what I am going to see, you have to increase the form little bit like this. So first I am going to drag the one panel. You have to drag over here. Simply you drag the panel. This panel also you have to select this one. Go to the here. This one should be the layout, border layout. Your border. You have to change the border as simple something. I just click this one. This border. Any border you can give. I just give this border. Right. Nice border. So here I am going to drag the control. So first I need only 3 labels. I am going to drag from the labels here. Drag it here. Right. What's the problem here is, select this one and delete. Select this one. Here also your right click, set layout absolute. Then only you will be able to drag and drop. Okay, you have to make the ticks. Right now here, this label, you just click on this one. Go here. The name you have to change the text name here. Name I am going to change. This one should be the name. Press enter key, it will be changed. After the same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below. This one I am going to change it as structure. This one we can change it as email. This one should be the email address, right? The email address, press enter key, right? After that we have to write third one should be the same thing. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below. This one should be the phone number. Right, you successfully done the stuff. Now what I am going to do is, here we have to select this all the labels, hold on the shift key down and select all. That increases size. So go here, size defaultly come as 11. You have to increase with bold as 13, 14. Click OK. Here it will be coming like this. Now we need a button. So go to the buttons. This is a button. Drag the, sorry, not button, text fields. We need a text fields. Right, if you move the cursor on the component, you will be able to get the name. This is a text field. You just select one and drag it. Only one you have to drag. Other thing you have to just copy and paste it. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste it. Only it is easy rather than compared to NetBeans. Here it's very easy if you work with this one. It's a professional one. Right, now here simply we have to decrease, right? We need only this simple one. So we need one button only. We need one button. This one should be save button. Select this one, simple save button. Button name change. After that I need one label, put it here. Here I have changed the name here, label staff registration. Staff registration. Press enter key. Right. Now we have to increase the font size with bold. We have to increase little bit. .22 input. So right, it's perfect. You can check put it here like this. Right, perfect. Okay, now what I am going to do is here to save button, only one button. Right, now let's run and check. It's working perfectly. It's a simple form. Right, now here if you click the button, we have to change the, we have to save the records into the data. Before that, we have to do each and every things, right? So what the things we have to do is we have to do the validation of email address, right? So you have to write, we have to see the first, go to the source, double click on the button. You have to go to the action event. First we have to check the text field. We have to change the name of the field. Select this one. Go to the structure. The name of the field is easy to this is default one, text field. This is a variable, right? This variable. Now you have to write txt name. Press enter key. This one, select this one. Go here. This one should be your name it as txt email. Press enter key. After this one, select here txt form. Txt form. Right. Now here we have to make the validation part, right? So you have to event action from this one. Go here. First we have to create the variable string. The name is, we have to write string name equal, you have to assign to the name txt name dot get text. What the name you are written on that text box, txt name text box, it assigned to the variable you are here, right? The same thing you have control C to copy, control V to paste below. Second one should be email. This also txt email, right? After that, this one should be the phone. So phone. So write txt phone. Right. Now what I am going to do is here. First we have to do the validation part over here. Right. First we have to, if we are not typing anything else in the name, we have to write here name is the variable equal dot equals if it is a blank, and dot check everything. Same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste below, paste here. This one should be just an email if you are not type anything else, and phone number. So we have to this one also phone number, this phone, right? We have to check if the it check for the blank and everything. So you have to type here. Here you have to write here message box. You have to if you type anything, if you are not type any fill the form, if you are not type anything else, show the message option. So message dialog. Here you write null. So type here all fields required. All fields required. All fields required. Right. If you are miss anything, if you are not type anything, any text boxes, it will be show there. Right. And operator, I mean, if all are correct, then only it will be work. Otherwise, we have to put the else if it is that's correct. It's got else if we have to test with the our email. So email validation, we have tried email this one. Okay, we have to test the email whether you are correct, type correct email or not. Dot index of, write this predefined function index of. Here we have tried and sign. Okay, here after that we have tried second step should be 0 we have to write here, or we have to write here or, that write or operator, or again you have to test another condition here, so email index of the same thing, copy, control C copy, control V paste here. So you have to write dot, if you have not put anything else, so this it will be show there. Right here we have to write here email, invalid email, write the same message box, invalid email, right? Okay, right. After that we have to write another thing is that you have to test a phone number as well. So you have to write this one, same thing, control C copy, control V paste here. If you have type the phone number, start with this phone number, you have to write dot start with 0, start with 0. If the phone number is not start with 0, you have to show there a phone number must start with 0. This is the things we have to check. Okay, after all are correct, for the else part we have to register user, right? So here this is the thing we have to do, all are correct, above all are correct. Now here we have, what I am going to do is here we have to write the registration code. So we have to go to the database, you have to create the simple this one, we just give the some name of the database name, we have to give some name ABNS company as a staff. It's a staff table, only 4 tables, 4 columns, right? First one should be the ID, this one should be the auto incremented primary, and you have to put this one should be the auto increment. After the second one should be the name, third one should be the email, this one should be the phone. Right. Now let's do the things. Now here we have already written the insert code and everything, right? So this one should be the connectivity. We have to write this connectivity, control C to copy this one, we have to put it here, only the one form, right? So here what's the error here is, we have to first we have to do here, I'm going to go here above, we have to create the connection objects. So first we have to implement the class, SQL class. You have to write import java dot SQL, right, like this. After that we have to write object, we have to create the objects. So we have to write connection con, prepare statement PST, right. Now here you have to write here why this error showing is here, I haven't put it to the drivers, right? So here first we have to add the SQL library. Okay, so you have to select this one, you have to write go to the properties, Java build path, we have to add the library. So in order to connect the database, we have to add the jar files, MySQL jar files. I already shown in the many tutorials how to download the jar file. So go to the Google, type MySQL connector for Java. Here you will be able to download this connector. Okay. Okay, you have to follow my previous tutorial. I already explained this how to download. This is the Java. Okay, if you are downloaded, after that it come as a zip file, we have to extract them. After it come as a normal folder. Here we have to extract. My file is here. Right, F drive, MySQL. Here is one. You have right. This both jar files. I am going to add it. It's open successfully. Apply and close it. Right. Now here you have to select this one. It asks to import the try and catch. Right. Now here select Control X cutoff, Control V to paste here. Right. This is not error. It asks to import the catch. Right. That's the stuff. Simply you don't need to generate the try and catch. You don't have to write. You no need to write. It automatically generated. Now here we have to give the database path, which the database reside on where? Reside on localhost, which name is staff. So you write staff. Right. Here we have to write this. After that we have to write the insert code. So I have already done with the insert code. Right. So I just copy here and paste it here. Right. So this no needed. We already text box we are assigned here. Right. Now yes, first one should be the name, email, phone. We have to register the one. So first, what is the table? You have to insert the record. Table is staff. These are the column: name, email, phone. So you write name, insert into which table? Staff table. Name, email, phone. These are the columns. They are in the database. So values. Here we needed 3 parameters. Okay. So first one should be the name. What is the name type on this type? It is assigned here. What is the email type here? It is assigned here. Phone number assigned here. So these are all the variables. We have to call it here. Name, email, phone. Record is added. After that, so all the things are correct. Record is added. After that, we have to clear all the text fields. So this one, email, of the phone number. Clear and cursor focus on the destination, right? Phone, sorry, txt phone. After record is added, all the text box are clear and cursor will be focused on the txt name request, right? Right. Now let's check whether it's all things are working fine or not. Right. So let's go to the staff registration, right? We have to run the Java application file, compile, you have to run. If you are without anything else, you all field are required. If you have typed something else, click here, invalid email, it line by line. If you enter the email kg at gmail.com, now here what's the problem here? Staff, right? Database name not a staff. I write the database name here is not a staff. AB is a company. Right. Okay, this is a company. Okay, right. Now here let's go over here and we have to check. Type ram at gmail.com. Type here, save here, invalid email. You have to put the dot as well. Then only I have put it here. Phone number you have start it like this and save. What's the problem? ANMS companies are correct. They are. Now let's again. I think I have leave the spaces. That's why. Here you have write correct email, gmail.com. Why what's here the phone number is not checking? Why what's the problem? This validation is not checked. Start with 0. Okay, start with 0. Here we have right. If not, you have to put it the operator not phone number start right. If not, okay, so start with 0. If not, start with 0. So we have to write not here, right? Phone number, right? Not. Now if you like this, now you have to write. Now you can check here. ram ram@gmail.com. phone number, yeah, phone number must start with 0. Okay, must start. If you are starting with the 0, now record is set. Okay, this is how we have made the validation part. Okay, now you will be able to understand the validation part. This validation part you must learn. If the phone number is not, we have to use a not operator. Then if you not operator purposes, if this condition is if you are not the phone number is start with 0, it will be show this error. Right? This is the condition we have to use when you are register the form. This is very important stuff. Right? You must learn this all the stuff. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.